South Korea could face a lockdown for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic began. Officials are considering raising restrictions to the highest level as the country battles its worst wave of infections. Schools in Seoul are set to go online as more than 700 new infections are confirmed. Lim Myun-sok reports.
Braving cold weather, South Koreans lined up outside the Seoul train station, one of the 150 or so temporary health clinics set up in the capital region. Anyone can visit and get tested for free. No personal information needs to be provided except a mobile phone number. The centers are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, including weekends. It's part of the government's strategy to try and get more people tested for COVID-19 as daily new cases reached 1,030 on Sunday, the highest since the pandemic began. Chung Eun-kyung, the director of South Korea's CDC, said at a briefing Monday afternoon that it was important to test as many people as possible.
의료 시스템에 부담이 될 수 있는데도 그 선제 검사를 하는 이유가 있느냐라는 말씀인데요. 지역사회에 잠재되어 있는 감염원을 찾아서 차단을 해야만 추가적인 그런 전파나 지역 감염으로 확산되는 것을 막을 수 있기 때문에
Testing has recently been ramped up to about 89,000 people a day as of Sunday, compared with just 22,000 in early October. And as the government faces not just a shortage of hospital beds, but healthcare workers, the military on Monday said more than 300 special warfare officers have been dispatched to public health centers to help out. This week is expected to be critical for South Korea, amid calls by experts for the government to adopt its toughest Phase 3 level to contain the virus. Prime Minister Chung Se-kyun said imposing the Level 3 social distancing measure was the last resort, but the government won't hesitate to take that bold decision. Even at Level 3, South Korea's measures would not be as draconian as those in places such as the United States and Europe. Still, it will deal a heavy blow to the economy. For one, restaurants will suffer as the majority of workers will have to work from home. Gatherings of 10 or more will be banned, halting most social and business activities. Meanwhile, the Seoul Office of Education has decided to move all schools to online learning from Tuesday, as President Moon Jae-in called this phase an emergency situation. His government has been criticized for not being able to contain the latest wave earlier, and that was reflected in his approval ratings, which on Monday showed a new record low of 36.7%, the second consecutive week that it has remained under 40%. Lim Myun-sok, CNA, Seoul.